also we have this stream APIs in Java 8, which is a very important feature of Java 8 and is widely used and now is mostly asked in interviews as well. So this Java stream API is completely different from the traditional streams which we have in Java for file processing. So they have a complete different package also, that is in Java util.io, but it is in Java util.streams. So why do we use stream? So we use stream to process collections. We have array list or maybe a simple list like these map, okay, all the collections. If we want to process them and we want to apply some operations on them, then we use the stream. So there are various methods, like we have filter, map, reduce, count, sorted, and many more. So okay, so first of all we will first understand, like the first of the method you will understand is the filter method. Like what is the filter method, and I will tell you one or two examples, basic examples, so like you will be familiar with this. Okay, so we have this filter method. So as the name suggests, what will filter do? It will filter your collections based on a particular condition and it will store that in a different list. Okay, so like whatever you have, like you have a collection of numbers and then you have to filter out the even numbers from that. So you can just filter out it using this function. So for example, I have just 20, 30, 35. Now what I'll do the stream API. I'll call the stream API and then I can just extract those even numbers from this list. So how we can do this? Talking about an example, I am taking a list of integers. And I am taking another list of integer. Sorry about the bad handwriting, it's in running hand. Now what I'll do is, since we have this nums, okay, so nums is our main array list that is having our numbers 10, 20, 35 and 40. What we will do is, since these all functions are of stream, so we'll first of all stream through it. Then we'll write the filter function, we'll call the filter function, and in that we will apply the condition that if n modulo 2 equals 0, then what you do is you collect that and you add it to my list. This is the basic syntax for streaming. Okay, and if we are doing it now, we will be just storing it in our even numbers list. Okay, so what we did is we called the stream function, we have filtered that and we have applied the condition that if n modulo 2 equals 0, n is the every number in the list. We're going to iterate through this and we'll check if n modulo 2 is 0. Then you just collect and add it to our list and store it to our even numbers list, and we can just simply then SOP even numbers. Now what if I don't want to store this in another list and I just want to directly print this? How will I do that? The same thing, I'll go to numbers.stream.filter, apply the same condition. Now for a change, what we'll do is, instead of collecting it, I'll iterate it. For each loop I'll use this, whatever the objects are coming, I'll use this and I'll just simply be calling SOPN. SOP is system.out.println. Okay, so directly I'll just loop through it, apply the for each, and then I'll just simply print it. Another basic example would be like if I have a list of string. Now what I have to do, I have to remove these null and I have to only print these cup, book and tea. So how will I do that? I'll be having another list. It's very simple. What I'll do is str is my above list dot stream dot filter. I'm gonna go and apply the condition that if like it is not equal to null, the words are not equal to null, then you simply just do and collect it in our new list. And store this result in our new list. So this is what how filters work, and it is a very basic example. In the next videos we'll look about like what is map, reduce, sort, count, all these functions. Thank you for watching this video. Happy coding.